Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how quickly you can create Kubernetes cluster from command line. To do that, first thing we need is a Google Cloud SDK. I'm using Windows laptop and I will have already downloaded this Google Cloud SDK.zip file. You can do other way if you're on other um, OS. So basically I have it downloaded here and then I'll try to install it on my local and then we start from the beginning. So I start it by selecting everything by default and then let it go. Right, so it's installed now. I'll just click on default and that's it. I don't need to go to this control page. So I will just close it. I'll use my favorite tool, Visual Studio Code. Just to check if it is installed, I will just tap gcloud. So it means it has installed successfully. So I didn't provide any parameter. That's why it complained. All right, so let's go to um, uh, initialize this gcloud. So I'll use this command here. I'll just enter and I can use this. So different options for configuration to use. So by default it took my account, but you can log in using your account as well. So I will say just one and it will already set up the default configuration. So now the second option is choose the account you'd like to use. So this is my account on my Google Cloud platform. So I'll say one and that's it. So it says logged in and I have a default project. So I'll use that. You can create a new if you wish. I'll just select one. Do you want to configure default computer engine as a zone? Why not? So I'll just say yes. All right. There are too many options. So I will select 14 as default. So Europe West 4A. All right. And everything is ready. Now we are good to go and create a Kubernetes cluster with the default setting on in any particular zone. So I'm not using the default zone. So I'll be using specifying which zone it should create. And I have given the name of the Kubernetes cluster which should create. I'll just use this one, enter, and then it should get going. All right, guys, so it has been created. So you can see it is created here. You can see what package it used. So probably it uses default, I believe. There's IP address, machine type, and then node version, and state is running, and number of nodes you can see. All right, so we can confirm using GUI whether it has been created or not. So I'll just log into my Google Cloud Console. So I'll go to Kubernetes engine page, and then you can see we already have a K8s cluster with the default configuration. And to confirm the compute engine, what are the nodes created, you can go to compute engine and you can see everything is created as it is. All right, but now the next step would be that to clean up, you can also, instead of using delete from the GUI, you can also delete it from console. So that's a simple command. The same command as create, you can just replace it with delete and just hit enter. All right, so this has been deleted. Now we can confirm the same. Okay, so I'm into Kubernetes engine page and I don't see any Kubernetes cluster. Now same we can verify in compute engine if we have any node. All right, so there are no nodes, so this confirms that it works. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe if you like my videos, and this will help me to post more videos. So please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.